What up, dear Big Brew? Welcome back to another Driver Family Vlog. Today, me and the kiddos are at a trail, and we're gonna just go and hike for a little bit because we wanted to get out of the house. We spent all day yesterday in the house while I was cleaning and playing. Gugu's eating her burrito. That's what you saw at the corner of the screen right there. So yeah, guys, this is the mountain area that we will be walking up today. So let's see, guys. That's where you go back. We're gonna start this way. Don't waste all your energy, remember, we have a long ways to go. Take your time.
Hey, Aiden, this was Ace Family did.
Oh, is the Ace Family? Yeah, we watched the Ace Family official labor and delivery.
Yeah.
And Austin was helping Catherine, right? Work out before the baby.
Yeah. You do this, you walk.
Doing some squats.
Yeah, and you walk, the baby will come faster.
Well, we don't have babies, so we don't need to do it.
But Mama, when would I have a baby?
I'll have a baby in a couple years.
You know why? Because the exhausting, guys. Because we was sitting down forever.
You need to work them out.
I need a bait.
You're the one exhausting yourself. Let's just walk normal.
Okay, I need the bait.
We're kind of getting into the rocky parts. Over this way, look, follow the arrows. Getting into the rocky area of the trail. Nope. Look how far we are. So guys, we just made it up the first climb. It's really beautiful. I told the kiddos to let's take a break, catch our breath, and just enjoy the view. What'd you think about that climb?
Good. I think I need to go more.
You think we need to go more?
Yeah.
All right, careful, okay?
Please, Aiden,
Careful. It's not a race. It's not a race. We're getting there slowly.
But Aiden,
It's okay.
I'm going to take a picture right now, right?
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Whoa. Right here. Look, use this rock. Careful. They're in the cave. They're in the cave. Look at the city.
Oh, that's cool. And a very high.
That is downtown over there.
This hill yesterday.
Okay, you want to keep going?
Yeah. Let me tell you what happened in my story right now. It catches my hand. It's not put all the way in. I just like that.
Careful on the way down.
It touches on my hand, but it's not all the way in.
You gave it to me.
Sorry. I did. Well, after you see tatted, don't go near it, okay? No. Let me fall a bit, brother, okay?
Careful. kids decide to go on the hard part. Careful, careful. Careful, Gugu. Alright guys, I had to put the camera away because it was very rocky and I wanted to make sure I had the kiddos, but we came from way down there, guys. Let me see if I could show you. We're parked way down there and we made it all the way up here. We're almost at the top. Yeah, alright. Let's be careful. You guys are probably going back in the backpack. See you in a little bit. So we just made it down. We were up there earlier when we showed you guys. We made it all the way down here. Came over here, and Aiden found a leg of an animal. Don't touch it.
It's a deer leg.
It's a deer leg. But yeah, we're on our way back down, guys. I am very proud of you guys. You guys did a good job. Alright guys. Alright, we just finished the hike. We're heading back now to the car. And Kaylee, one of Aiden's friends and Scarlett's friends, just messaged us they want us to go by, so we're probably going to go by to their house. Say thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We can't hear you.
Hit that button. Hit that bell. Hit that thumbs up.
Make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel.
And
we do a lot of...
That's it.
Yeah, and if you're new here, just hit the like button. I mean, hit the like button for a good job for Aiden and Scarlett. Trying not to trip over the rocks in front of me.
In my hand is up.
Yeah. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A big thumbs up to Aiden and Scarlett for that hike because they made it all the way up there. You see that mountain? You see that mountain, guys? That is where we were, way up there. That's how far we hiked. Good job, kids.